What if I told you that the money you need to grow your business could be right at your fingertips, locked away in the very platform you're already using? What if the key to unlocking new inventory, expanding your marketing, and scaling your operation was simply a matter of knowing where to look? But what if Amazon, the very platform driving your sales, also offered a solution, a way to access funding specifically designed for sellers like you? This is where the concept of Amazon funds comes in. It's a term that gets thrown around a lot, but what does it actually mean? Are there business loans directly from Amazon? How do you even qualify? And what are the other financing options available that leverage your Amazon success? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Amazon seller financing. We're going to break down the different ways you can get capital to grow your Amazon business, from the official Amazon lending program to other creative and flexible solutions. So grab a notepad, because this is the guide you've been waiting for. We're going to answer the question, are Amazon funds available for business accounts? And if so, how do you get them? Let's start with the big one, Amazon lending. Yes, Amazon does have a lending program. But before you get too excited, there's a very important detail you need to understand. It's invite only. You can't just go to a website and fill out an application. Amazon, based on its own internal data, will determine if you're eligible and will send you an invitation to apply. So, what does it take to get that golden ticket? While Amazon doesn't publicly disclose the exact criteria, the consensus among sellers and industry experts is that they are looking for a few key things. First, you need to have a strong sales history. We're talking about consistent, growing sales for at least a year. Many sources suggest a minimum of $10,000 in monthly sales, or $50,000 annually. They want to see that your business is stable and has a history of performance. Second, your account health has to be in top shape. This means a low order defect rate, positive customer feedback, and no policy violations. Basically, Amazon needs to trust you. They're not going to lend money to a seller who is at risk of being suspended. Third, a lot of the offers you see, especially for larger loan amounts, are actually from third-party lenders that Amazon has partnered with. Companies like Goldman Sachs and others provide these financing options through the Amazon platform. This means that while Amazon is the gateway, the loan agreement is between you and the third-party lender. The terms will vary, but they often offer a fixed interest rate and a repayment schedule that is tied to your sales performance. In some cases, repayments are automatically deducted from your Amazon disbursements, which can be a huge convenience. So, to summarize on Amazon lending, it's a fantastic option if you get an invite. It's fast, convenient, and the terms are often competitive. But it's not something you can actively pursue unless you've already proven yourself as a top-tier seller on the platform. But what if you're a newer seller, or your sales don't quite meet that high threshold? Does that mean you're out of luck? Absolutely not. This is where we need to think beyond the official Amazon funds and look at other financing options that are specifically tailored to Amazon sellers. One of the most popular alternatives is a merchant cash advance, or MCA. An MCA is not a traditional loan. Instead, a company gives you a lump sum of cash in exchange for a percentage of your future sales. The repayment is flexible because it's based on your daily or weekly sales. When sales are high, you pay back more. When sales are low, you pay back less. This can be a great option for businesses with fluctuating or seasonal revenue. Companies like Payability and YouLend offer these types of services. The eligibility requirements are often less strict than a traditional loan, and they focus more on your sales history than your credit score. Another powerful option is a business line of credit. Think of it like a business credit card, but with potentially higher limits and lower interest rates. A line of credit gives you a pre-approved amount of money that you can draw from as needed. You only pay interest on the money you actually use, making it incredibly flexible. This is perfect for managing cash flow shortages, covering unexpected expenses, or stocking up on inventory before a big sales event like Prime Day. Again, Amazon partners with providers like Marcus by Goldman Sachs to offer lines of credit to eligible sellers. Now, let's talk about a more direct, almost immediate way to get cash: inventory financing. This is a form of financing where you use your existing or purchased inventory as collateral. It's a great way to get capital to buy more products and is often a good fit for sellers who need to maintain high inventory levels. Many online lenders specialize in this type of financing and can get you the funds you need quickly. For the Amazon business customer, not just a seller, there's another option to consider, a Firms Buy Now Pay Over Time program. This isn't a loan for your business as a whole, but a way to finance specific purchases on Amazon. When you're buying office supplies, equipment, or other essentials for your business, you can choose Affirm at checkout and pay for the items over a period of 3 to 48 months. This can be a great way to manage your budget and avoid a large upfront cost. And we can't forget the traditional routes. While they may be more difficult, they're still viable. You can still apply for a traditional business term loan from a bank or a credit union. The Small Business Administration, or SBA, also offers microloans and other financing options for small businesses. These often have lower interest rates and longer repayment terms, but they come with a more rigorous application process. So, let's bring it all together. Are Amazon funds available for business accounts? The answer is a resounding yes, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Amazon has its own invite-only lending program, which is a great option if you qualify. However, there's a whole ecosystem of third-party lenders and financing options that are specifically designed for Amazon sellers, leveraging your sales data and account performance to get you the capital you need. The key takeaway here is to understand your options and choose the one that best fits your business's specific needs and stage of growth. If you're a new seller, a merchant cash advance might be the fastest way to get a cash injection. If you're an established seller with a consistent track record, you might be invited to Amazon lending or a line of credit from one of their partners. And if you're simply a business looking to manage large purchases on the platform, Affirm provides a simple solution. The important thing is to not let a lack of capital hold your business back. The resources are out there. It's just a matter of knowing where to find them and how to leverage your success on Amazon to your advantage. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.